Hi everyone, my name is Leon Nichols and I'm a Developer Relations Engineer for the Google Assistant. Today I'm going to introduce you to several sample actions that are integrated with Dialogflow. It's the fastest and easiest way to create an action and to learn more about the powerful features of the actions on Google platform. We've added sample actions that allow you to create working actions within just a few minutes. You end up with source code that you can easily edit to add new features. You can find these new samples on our developer documentation site. You can select from various types of actions. There are several actions that you can use for daily updates and notifications or be added to routines. Other types include simple adventure games, interactive stories, or a music player. These are just to help you get started by giving you a Dialogflow agent that is fully functional. You can, of course, still create a completely custom action on your own with Dialogflow. You can preview the user experience of each type by playing the audio recording of each action. Once you've selected the action you want to create, click on that type. Dialogflow will walk you through a few steps for building an agent that will implement your action. Firstly, you will be prompted to give your new agent a name. If you've used Dialogflow before, you can overwrite an existing agent. A Dialogflow agent is created for you, including all the intents, entities, and fulfillment code to make the action work. Within just a few minutes, your action will be ready to use. Your agent is pre-configured with intents and working fulfillment code that implement our best practices. You can then customize the agent to make the action your own. To customize the agent, you can update the source code provided for fulfillment. The fulfillment is hosted for you in a cloud function for Firebase. The source code has step-by-step instructions on how to customize the action and provides links to our docs on how to extend the capabilities. To try the action the first time, you don't have to understand all the code. You can come back later if you want to customize the action even further. Once you're ready, click the Deploy button to save your changes to the Cloud function. Now you can test the action in the Actions Console simulator by clicking on the Integrations menu in Dialogflow. In the simulator, you can test your action on different surface types like audio-only speakers and mobile devices, which have audio and visual capabilities. Once you are done customizing and testing, you can use the Actions Console to submit your action for review. Once it's approved, everybody will be able to use your action anywhere the Google Assistant is supported. So that was a quick introduction to sample actions. You can try them out yourself by clicking on the link in the description below. We also have a Google Plus community, so you can ask your questions and share your ideas with everyone. I'm Leon Nichols. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to trying out your actions.